The 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.